YardMaster's main focus is and always will be quality that lasts. My name is Keith Kyle. I'm the Managing Director at YardMaster International. I'm working here just over 20 years. YardMaster is recognised as a leading brand right across Europe. The main thing that is our commitment to quality. Quality of the design of the product, of the materials that we use in the product, quality of the supply of materials. Where possible, we use all local materials in the product. People that we employ many have been with us for many years. They're well experienced, very skilled workers, mostly drawn from the local area. It's a very safe and sure storage solution. Never had a claim in all our 40 years of business because of the quality of steel that we put into the product. Offers very good protection for any items that are stored inside. YardMaster offers 15-year guarantee on the product, basically zero maintenance on the product. Assemble the shed and you don't have to worry about painting it every year after that. We have designed the product, we've manufactured the product, we've delivered it to the customer. It's all from start to finish. It's all been under our own control and no one else. And it's a simple DIY assembly manual. So if you do have any issues at all, if a customer has any issues, we have real people at the end of the phone. There's people that are dealing with customer questions day in, day out. They know the product. They're experts in metal sheds. We've seen all the queries or listened to all the queries that have arisen. We can solve those, whatever they may be. YardMaster's main focus is and always will be quality that lasts, quality of the product, quality of the service, quality of supply. Basically no fuss whatsoever, just good honest business.